Creating a watchlist on Etoro is an essential step for any investor looking to track and analyze their favorite assets. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up a watchlist on Etoro step by step. First, you need to log in to your Etoro account and navigate to the Markets section. Here you will find a wide range of assets including stocks, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. Browse through the different categories and select the assets you want to add to your watchlist. To add an asset to your watchlist, simply click on the star icon next to it. The star will turn yellow, indicating that the asset has been added to your watchlist. You can add as many assets as you want to your watchlist, and they will be displayed in the watchlist section of your account. Once you have added assets to your watchlist, you can start tracking their performance. The watchlist section provides a detailed overview of each asset, including its current price, daily change, and overall performance. You can also use the watchlist to set up price alerts and notifications so you can stay informed about any changes in the market. In addition to tracking individual assets, you can also use your watchlist to analyze the overall performance of your portfolio. The watchlist section provides a range of tools and charts that allow you to compare the performance of different assets and make informed investment decisions. To get the most out of your watchlist, it is essential to keep it up to date and relevant. Regularly review your watchlist and remove any assets that are no longer relevant to your investment strategy. You can also add new assets to your watchlist as your investment strategy evolves. By following these steps and using your watchlist effectively, you can gain a deeper understanding of the markets and make more informed investment decisions. Remember to always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose.